Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm about to show you guys how I built a low cable pulley system for under 20 bucks. One like this right here. I'm going to show you all the material that you're going to need, me putting it together, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys examples of workouts you can do with the low cable pulley system. But before we get into it, I need you to do me a favor. Stop what you're doing. Just take your finger and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so that you get notifications. Drop some comments at the end of the video. Now, if you're ready to get into it and see how to build you a badass low cable pulley system at home, let's get into it. We're going to break down the materials that you're going to need right here. So we're going to need a fixed pulley like that right there. It's a 420-pound load capacity. That's going to be the upper pulley. And then right here, this is going to be the lower pulley. It says it's a wall ceiling mount pulley with a 480-pound load capacity. I'm actually going to be bolting that to the concrete slab using some of these blue Tapcon concrete bits. And the way these work is you actually get a specific drill bit that is designed to drill through concrete and brick. And once you drill the hole into the concrete, you can then go back and run your blue Tapcon concrete screws straight into the concrete. Oh, and you're going to need the fresh orange Nikes. Now, the next thing that you're going to need is some of this vinyl coated steel cable. Now, these come in different lengths, different load capacities. The one you see here is an 840-pound load capacity. We got a 340-pound load capacity, 30-foot long, and that's the one that I'm going to be using. It comes with all of the accessories inside the package so that you can build a loop on each end of the cable. It's got the U-bolts to hold the loop tight, and that allows you to use different attachments with the carabiner on your loop, as you'll see in the video, or to add weight to the other end of the cable. We're actually going to do the work. We're going to be drilling into the concrete right here, as you see, with the concrete Tapcon drill bit. Once you get the holes drilled into the concrete, you're going to run these blue Tapcon concrete anchor bolts down into it to hold that pulley frame secure. Now, as you see, I removed the wheel out of this pulley because I needed access to be able to drill down through the frame. With the pulley inside of that frame, I just did not have the proper room. Now, what you need is a pair of vice grips, something to hold that frame clamp back together in order to put it together, because once you remove that pulley, the frame kind of expands and it's just too hard to hold together with your hand and to get the pin in at the same time. But once you get that in, you put a cotter pin back in the side and that's pretty much secure. Now, what we're doing here, we're hanging the upper pulley with a strap that has a carabiner attached to it, and it just has the pulley attached to that. The pulley itself had like a little anchor hole up top, so it's just hanging from there. Now, the next thing you want to do is run your cable through the top of the pulley, then extend all of the cable out. And on the other end, the top that I ran through, I actually attached a pair of vice grips there just to keep the cable from pulling back through. And then once you get it all straightened out, you pull it through the bottom. So in effect, we already got it set up right here. The next thing you have to do is create a loop in each end of the cable. And you want to measure out the cable to how far you want it, but make sure, if anything, if you make it a little bit too long, you can always shorten it. But if you make it too short at the beginning, well, you're going to be going back to buy you some more cable. So the attachments actually came with the cable that I bought. So I was able to make the loop in each end without having to buy any extra accessories. And on each end, that's going to allow me to attach a carabiner, just like you see right here. And then from there, you can put several attachments, whatever type of grips that you have. And then on the opposite end, where you hook another carabiner, you can attach the weights, in effect, creating a low pulley workout system right here. Now we'll get up here, straighten out, pretty much align the top of the pulley with the bottom pulley, and look right here. Yo, and that is a wrap. I greatly appreciate everybody watching the video. Hopefully you guys learned how to build your own pulley system for working out. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think about it. And right here, as you can see, I'm doing a little bit of tricep work. You're going to want to stay tuned, man, because I'm going to be building all type of stuff that you can do complete body workouts. This whole system that you're looking at right here is all stuff that was loose metal that I built myself. So one thing for sure, you can never let your circumstances dictate what you're going to do on the daily. You got to take charge of your life. Coronavirus, lockdown, quarantine, what does that mean? That shit is nothing. Don't sit around and make excuses. Figure out a way to make shit happen. And that's real, man. I appreciate you guys watching the video.